Let me show you some tips and tricks for the camera that we can perform on the Nothing Phone 3. So the first thing that I want to show you is the option to zoom. Of course, this is nothing unusual. We can use a pinching gesture. We can just tap on these values that we have over here, or you can press and hold your finger on this bar and we can just slide left and right in order to adjust the zoom. In the photo mode, we have up to 60x zoom. And besides that, what you can also do in the camera is use 50 megapixel lenses, or lens actually. So in the photo mode, if you tap on this arrow in the top right corner, we can change the quality to 50 megapixels, which can be quite useful if you want to take a photo in the highest resolution possible. We can also capture multiple photos at once, which is called burst shot, and this is nothing unusual, but this burst shot option is actually disabled or hidden by default. So in order to make sure that we can actually perform a burst shot, we need to go to the settings of the camera, and then over here we can find press and hold shutter. And by default, if you press and hold the shutter button, you start recording a video, but instead we can use a burst shot. So now if we go back, we can press and hold. Unfortunately, in this mode it is not available, so we need to switch back to 12 megapixels. And there we go. We can capture up to 20 photos at once. If you want to capture a photo in a RAW format, then in that case we need to go to More, and we need to open the Expert mode, which is the Pro mode in other words. And over here, if you tap on this arrow again, you should be able to find RAW capture, so you can either save a photo in the JPG format by disabling this option, or in the RAW format. However, this RAW format is only available in this specific mode. If you want to, you can also capture blurred photos, so you can apply a blur in the portrait mode. Over here, if we switch to the front camera, it will be visible. As you can see, the camera is somewhat focused, but the rest is blurred. We can adjust the blur by tapping on this button over here on the right side, and we can move left and right in order to adjust the effect of the blur. We also have different options over here that we can also try out. And besides that, there is also one more cool thing that I want to show you, and that is available, that is not specifically in the camera, but it can be used as some sort of camera, and it is actually on the glyph matrix, so this display that we have over here. But first, what we're gonna do is we need to go to settings. Over here, open glyph interface and go to glyph toys. And we need to go to this icon over here with these three lines in order to manage glyph toys, and you need to add the glyph mirror. So if we add it, then you should be able to go back to the glyph. Let's actually place it down, and we can press this button in order to activate the glyph, and we can try to find the mirror. And there we go. And now if you press and hold this button, you will activate the camera. So you have a small camera preview. Maybe I can even show myself over here. There we go. You can kind of see me over here. Hello, I'm waving to you. So yeah, a cool fancy gadget, which of course doesn't really work with the camera, unfortunately. But yeah, so this is how it works. And we also have camera filters, of course. Well, presets actually, not filters, although we have filters as well. But we have filters that can also be quite useful. You can create your own filter. You can share filters with other people as well. If you want to find some more options, you can tap on this setting icon in the top right corner, and you can go through these options as well. Remember that we have these three dots right next to the preset as well, so you can find even more options. And that's pretty much it. I think these are the most important tips and tricks that we need to know about the camera on Nothing Phone 3. And yeah, thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.